Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking this old, worn-out wooden plate and restoring it. First, we attach a sanding disc to the angle grinder to prep the surface. We thoroughly sand down the entire wooden plate to remove all the old finish and imperfections. Next, using a piece of chalk, we mark guidelines directly onto the smooth wood. These concentric circular markings will guide our precise carving and shaping. Finally, we check the dimensions using an L-square, a perfect restored wooden piece ready for use. After fine sanding and applying a protective finish, the natural grain of the wood shines through. If your chainsaw is cutting slowly or struggling through logs, it's time for a sharpen. Inspecting the chain teeth closely reveals dull edges that need maintenance. Instead of manual filing, attach a round chainsaw file directly into a drill chuck. Add a custom round guide disc over the file shaft for angle stability. Mark your starting tooth with a blue marker so you know when you've completed a full turn. Hold the guide steady against the bar and run the drill to quickly power sharpen each tooth. Move along the chain systematically for a fast, effortless, and razor-sharp edge.